Namaskar, distinguished members of the BRICS Chambers of Commerce and Industry, young researchers, students, and policy professionals, ladies and gentlemen. It is my honor to address you at the Youth in AI Policy Lab, an official pre-event to the India AI Impact Summit 2026. It is about how artificial intelligence is being institutionalized, governed, and deployed for real public impact in our country, and how the Global South can lead in responsible AI adoption. AI adoption, India's approach to artificial intelligence has been sustainable and inclusively driven under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. The Government of India has been clear that AI must be ethical, inclusive, and aligned with our development priorities. In line with the vision of the government, is setting foundations not just for technological advancement, but for public good. The first foundation is trust in data governance. AI systems depend on data, and without public confidence in how data is protected, large-scale AI deployment cannot be sustained. In 2023, the Government of India enacted the Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023. The law mandates informed consent for data use, limits the purpose and duration of data storage, and establishes accountability for misuse. These features ensure that AI deployment proceeds with citizen rights and protections at the forefront. The second foundation, more than 10,300 crores over 5 years. This mission has already deployed over 38,000 high-performance GPUs to create shared computing infrastructure that startups, researchers, and public institutions can access. Through the mission, the government is deliberately fostering an ecosystem where innovation is widely accessible, not concentrated in a few silos. AI is also a major employment and economic driver. Over 6 million people are currently employed in India's tech and AI ecosystem. And the broader Indian tech sector is projected to exceed 280 billion in revenues this year. Independent estimates suggest that AI could add up to 1.7 trillion to India's economy by 2035, reinforcing the view that AI is central to India's future growth. India's ability to scale AI responsibly is anchored in digital public infrastructure. Platforms such as Aadhaar, UPI, United Payments Interface, DigiLocker, and the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission are not theoretical constructs but real systems operating at population scale. UPI is now one of the world's largest digital payment systems, with volumes increasing year after year and transactions numbering in the hundreds of billions annually, making India a global leader in secure, real-time digital payments. In the health sector, digital transformation is measurable. The Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, ABDM, has enabled over 67 crore Ayushman Bharat health accounts and linked more than 42 crore health records across the country. Over 1.3 lakh health facilities, including more than 17,000 private facilities, are ABDM enabled, connecting patients, doctors, and systems electronically. This digital backbone allows AI tools to operate on data responsibly and safely, improving clinical decision-making and public health planning. AI applications in India are not confined to isolated pilots in education. AI-enabled adaptive learning platforms reach millions of students across languages and regions, reducing learning gaps in systems with more than 250 million learners. In agriculture, AI tools help farmers plan crops using weather forecasts and satellite data, providing actionable advisories to millions of small landholders. The Government of India has also prioritized digital literacy in AI. This year, the National AI Literacy Program was launched with flagship courses under Yuva AI for All to promote AI awareness and skills among youth. The program aligns with our vision of preparing India's young population for an AI-enabled future of democratizing, understanding AI across socio-economic groups. Let me now speak about an initiative that I have personally started, the Namo Shakti Rath, the project that was conceived to tackle a critical public health gap, late detection of breast cancer among women. By bringing AI-enabled screening directly to the communities, Medical evidence shows that when breast cancer is detected early, survival rates can exceed 90%. Yet, many women lack access to early screening due to distance, cost, and social barriers. Through the Namo Shakti Rath initiative, we are taking AI-powered, radiation-free, non-invasive breast cancer screening directly to towns and villages. Women do not need to travel long distances for tertiary care centers. Screening is done with dignity in their own communities, and suspected cases are seamlessly referred into the public health system for follow-ups. Here, AI is not an abstract technology. It is an expanding access, enabling early detection and saving lives. It is designed with sensitivity to social realities and integrated public health pathways so that detection leads to treatment and outcomes improve. The initiative brings together the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar with the Government of India's commitment to AI for all. By taking AI-enabled cancer screening to the doorstep of women, it stands as a shining example of how artificial intelligence can be applied meaningfully in healthcare. It also reflects the core motto of India AI Impact Summit, Sarv Jan Hite, Sarv Jan Shuke. By ensuring welfare, dignity, and well-being through ethical and inclusive innovation, the Youth and the AI Policy Lab matters because you are not here to debate whether AI should exist. The question is settled. You are here to ask how AI should be governed, how fairness and accessibility are integrated into systems, and how data ethics protect citizens, and how public accountability is ensured. Your policy recommendations will feed into Youth and AI Policy Casebook of 2026 and be showcased at the India AI Impact Summit. This is not merely an academic exercise. It is direct and meaningful participation in policy design. I commend each and every one of you for the seriousness and rigor you have brought through the process, and I congratulate the organizers at the BRICS Chambers of Commerce and Industry for creating a platform that enables youth to contribute constructively to national and global AI governance. BRICS countries represent 40% of the world's population and many of the fastest growing digital economies. Global AI governance cannot be shaped without the voice of the global south. India's experience shows that it is possible to regulate AI, scale it responsibly, and align it with developmental goals. India stands ready to work with BRICS and BRICS Plus, partners to shape equitable, practical, and trustworthy AI frameworks. In conclusion, technology creates capability. Laws enable them. I would once again like to thank my friend Sameep Shastri, who is the reason why I am here today, and an old friend Pran, and all the organizers involved in the BRICS Summit, Dr. B.P.N. Madhukar, the chairman Harvansh Chawla ji, Ashok Kumar Singh ji, and Mr. Rahul Ranjan. Everyone, all of you have taken time to be a part of this summit. It is going to contribute to a meaningful dialogue in building the future of those laws and policies that will shape the future of India. Thank you very much.